how to loop a video in YouTube. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be guiding you through the steps on how you can loop a YouTube video playback. So in order to start, the first thing that we're gonna do is open any YouTube application. So you can either open the YouTube native application or also it works on the browser as well. So I will be opening my YouTube application, and now for the results to be perfectly demonstrated, I have opened some very short videos. So as here you can see, although this is a 1 second video, the actual duration is 2 seconds. So let me show you what will happen if we play it without looping. So if we play it without looping, you can see that it has been played and a next video has been suggested. But what happens if we enable looping? We can do so by going to the settings gear icon, and then from here I'm gonna click on more, and within more I will enable this loop video. Now I have enabled looping, and you can see that this video is keep getting repeatedly played back and forth again and again. So this is how easily you can enable looping. I hope you have liked this demonstration. If you did, do make sure to drop a like. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.